SpiNNaker, which is a contraction of spiking neural network architecture, is the world's largest neuromorphic platform in the sense that it can model more biological neurons than any other neuromorphic system that exists today. Our goal at the outset was to put the million cores into the machine, aiming to be able to model 1 billion biological neurons in real time. 1 billion is still only about 1% of the scale of the human brain, but more than a whole mouse brain. And in practice, because we've moved to rather more complex and detailed biological models, we'll get to a few 100 million neurons, and we still have the possibility of modelling a whole mouse brain in biological real time on the machine. Though quite a lot of development of models is required before we get there, we've begun this process and we already have quite a detailed model of a cortical microcolumn that runs on SpiNNaker, and we have models of basal ganglia and a lateral genicular nucleus. So we're putting the pieces together, but I guess the next big milestone will be something like a whole mouse brain model. This is a really exciting milestone in the development of the SpiNNaker project, which has been 20 years in conception and more than 10 years in construction, and we have reached, if you like, the ultimate objective set when the project started of putting together 1 million cores in a single computer for real-time brain modelling applications. It's a great credit to the team members who worked with me over the years, developing the hardware and making it sufficiently reliable that a machine at this scale can be expected to perform consistently, and also the software tools which have absorbed a huge development effort to get them to the level where they can configure interesting problems to run on this machine. So this is a day I've been waiting for a very long time, and I'm very excited that we've reached it. I'd like to thank all the agencies who sponsored and funded this work, beginning with significant investments from EPSRC, the UK Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council, and more recently from the EU through the Human Brain Project, also to the university that contributed significant capital funds, and of course the School of Computer Science who've provided a home for the big machine, and the university who built the machine room it's in.